Hey there. One very important part of the process to buying or selling a property is to have your identity verified. The government introduced this requirement to make it safer for everybody buying or selling property. This quick video guide will step you through the process of completing the verification on your phone or iPad. This will save you time and money by not having to go to Australia Post. So let's get into it.
First of all, our team will send you an email to get things started. By clicking the Continue button within the email, you'll be directed to the IDyou homepage. You'll then be requested to enter a security code, which will be sent to you by SMS to your mobile number that was provided to us in your online instructions. Once you have gained access to your VOI portal, you'll be prompted to upload a live photo of yourself. To ensure you remain compliant with VOI regulations, make sure you look directly at the camera, keep a natural expression, and have nothing obstructing your face, just like you would a passport photo. Then press Save and Continue. You will then be required to upload multiple forms of identification, such as a passport or birth certificate, a driver's license or proof of age card ID. IDyou will automatically check your ID against government databases using its new DVS feature. This step allows IDyou to verify your identity within minutes and, to save you even more time, automatically populate fields using data extracted from your supplied ID. Be sure to check the information uploaded is exactly as they appear on your ID documents. Once both forms of identification have been added, simply press Continue. If you have changed your name or the names on your ID documents don't match, you will be required to upload proof of the change of name, such as a marriage certificate. If you haven't changed your name and your name matches your ID, simply hit Names are the same within the prompt, then Continue. Now, review all the uploaded documentation and tick the box at the bottom left of the screen to confirm all details are correct, followed by Continue. You'll then be required to sign the privacy and consent form as well as the declaration form. To sign these, you can either use a stylus pen, mouse, or your finger, depending on the device you're using. Then press Submit VOI, and just like that, your verification of identity report has been sent to our conveyancing team. And that's it. You're all verified. But if you need any help from any of our team, feel free to give us a call or send us an email, and the RM Property Conveyancing team will be happy to help.